Hey there, welcome to this video where we're going to talk about the UREVO Strol 2E Smart 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Now, I know what you're thinking, another treadmill? But trust me, this one's different. Let me paint a picture for you. You're stuck at home, trying to squeeze in a workout between Zoom meetings and household chores. You want to stay active but don't have the space for a bulky treadmill. That's where the UREVO Strol 2E comes in. This treadmill is designed for busy individuals who are looking for a convenient way to stay fit without sacrificing space in their home or office. It's compact, foldable, and easy to use, perfect for those with limited space or on-the-go lifestyles. Now, let's talk about the benefits and features of the UREVO Strol 2E. First off, it's a 2-in-1 treadmill, meaning you can use it for walking or running. The safety handle provides added security for those who may need a little extra support. The plug-and-play design makes it easy to set up. Just unfold, plug in, and you're ready to go. One of the standout features of this treadmill is the dual LED display. You can track your speed, distance, time, and calories burned all in one place. Plus, the workout app syncs seamlessly with your treadmill, allowing you to set goals, track your progress, and even compete with friends. Now, let's talk about some use cases. Maybe you're someone who wants to sneak in a quick walk during your lunch break, or perhaps you're a busy parent who needs a convenient way to stay active while keeping an eye on the kids. The UREVO Strol 2E is perfect for these scenarios and more. But how does it stack up against other treadmills on the market? Well, the UREVO Strol 2E is competitively priced and offers all the essential features you need for a solid workout. It may not have all the bells and whistles of a high-end treadmill, but it gets the job done without breaking the bank. Here are some tips for using your UREVO Strol 2E. Make sure to start slow and gradually increase your speed and incline as you build endurance. Use the safety handle when needed, especially if you're just getting started or have mobility issues. And don't forget to keep track of your progress in the workout app. It's a great motivator to keep you going. In conclusion, the UREVO Strol 2E Smart 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill is a game changer for those looking for a compact, convenient way to stay active at home or in the office. With its easy setup, safety features, and workout app integration, it's a no-brainer for anyone wanting to prioritize their health and fitness. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get your hands on the UREVO Strol 2E today and start your fitness journey. Trust me, your body will thank you. Thanks for watching, and happy exercising.